good, you ride really good. Why do you keep having problems, Aprilia? We are live. I'm back on the bike because that was a struggle. It's hard to stand. I took off my ankle support. Now you guys can see how swollen my ankle is. It was too tight and it was making me pretty much in pain. But yeah, all the bruising are down here. As you guys see, no more charcoal canister. Took it off. You know, everything is all done, back together. And now I should not have that problem of, you know, the bike not starting or taking a while to start, like cranking, all that none of that no more, hopefully, at least. Been a while since I rode. Riding with music is nice, so what? Great. Now it's not starting at all. Well then, I don't know what to do. Everyone online said this will fix the last thing, and it just did it. I am so confused right now. I don't know if we did something wrong or not, but yeah, as you guys saw, apparently we fixed nothing with removing the charcoal canister. At this point, I don't even know. Jeez, this bike just non-stop problems. Nothing too major, but still, this is annoying. It's a brand new bike pretty much. Bike has like not even 900 miles. Now I actually don't know what to do, because I thought that was it. Like online, this is all people have said, pretty much: exhaust, tune, and removing the charcoal canister. And I've done all of them now, and as you guys saw, same problem. Ah, Aprilias. At least the weather is really nice right now. The sky is looking so nice. Yeah, I'm not risking that. Here we go. I don't know what to do now. I'm actually bothered because I started a few times and it worked, and now it stopped. So I'm like, what the hell? It was almost better before removing a charcoal canister, because at least I don't think it cranked as much. I kind of want to try again, but I don't want to try right here and get stuck or something like that. Oh boy. I just want this bike to run normal, not have problems, you know. I wonder if the newer gen Aprilias have that issue too. The new factories. Alright, I did it without hurting my leg. Dang it, you sound so good. You ride really good. Why do you keep having problems, Aprilia? I'm glad I decided to film, because initially I was like, well, it's already done. I tried starting it. Oh, those sounds. What bike should I ride next, do you guys think? This is honestly like the easiest bike to kind of like take off and stop, which is why I decided to ride it. Plus, like, I had to do this thing for it that now we know is pretty much useless. But I don't know what else to film, guys. Honestly, I'm pretty rusty. I haven't filmed in a while. Not very natural, and now I'm bothered because this was supposed to be a quick fix that is clearly not fixed. It's supposed to be easy to the point, you know, and it's annoying that it happened right after that. Like, I don't understand this bike at this point, to be honest, but I don't know. It is what it is. I don't know. I guess I'll try to figure it out, or maybe we did something wrong. I mean, it can't be that complicated. All we have to do is just remove the charcoal canister. But well, that's it for this video. It's the first day back. Sadly, already having issues. I thought this would be an easy, quick video and fix and update you guys on what's going on, but you know, it never works out that easily, so we just have to figure out what the issue now and fix it. Or yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't happen too often, because this one was pretty bad. Like, it was like almost cranking, but it wasn't. So I really don't know what the problem is. But Aprilia things. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like. I'm finally back. I'm not going to be riding as much, obviously, but I will be riding here and there until I'm fully healed again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and ride safe.